Hello. Good day, Madam and Sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Remy England, 44 years old, single mother with 3 kids. My hobby is cleaning the house, sometimes playing with my dogs. I worked 6 years in Singapore, take care of Akong, and 3 months for the 3 kids, and then doing the household, cleaning, cooking, uh, ironing, and washing. Also gardening. I do gardening also. I plant their papaya. Yeah.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Uh, I choose Hong Kong because of the high salary, and then a nice country, and I want a new experience and new environment.
Okay, so if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My older daughter,
And then, how long do you expect to work in Hong Kong? How long?
with my 2 years, I start 2 years, and then if my employer want me to stay and they renew me, and I, I renew.
Okay, so do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Simple Chinese food, also the Filipino food, because my Chinese employer before, she likes chicken feet with peanuts.
Okay, so
And
do you have
then
kids?
I love kids.
You will play with them?
Yeah, I play with them.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.